Welcome to the channel, welcome to another video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, click the thumbs up button and share the video with a friend. Today we're going to be talking about honeybees, and you're getting a close-up image of honeybees. Honeybees, they live off of carbohydrates and protein. Here you see the beekeeper just checking the bees to see if they're multiplying or not in their beehive. As you can see, there's a lot of bees in this particular box, and it will only increase as time goes on. Beekeepers regularly check the beehives every 2 to 3 weeks. They use that metal can, what you see there, as a smoker which drives away the bees. It actually interferes with their senses and it calms them down dramatically. It prevents them from stinging and going crazy and alerting other bees to attack also. Some of the beehives are more busy than others. They are more in numbers than others because they are still increasing after the queen bee multiplies and lays her eggs. As you can see here, the beekeepers are checking each box. We're not going to film all the boxes because it's basically the same routine for each box, but as you can see, this is their process for checking the bees. When it comes to checking the bees, the beekeepers use smokers and hive tools. The thing that you see them separating the hives inside the box with that metal bar is the hive tool, and the metal canister is the smoker. You put inside the smoker dry leaves, bramble bushes, and you set fire to it, and you press the smoker, the thing that looks like an accordion, and it produces smoke. It increases the smoke levels and smoke comes out of the canister. Another good tool for beehives and beekeeping is gloves and bee brush. That's to brush off the bees when you're checking the hives, which you don't actually see in this particular video, but that is some of the tools that they actually use also. So what you want to actually do is check your beehives every 2 to 3 weeks, as these beekeepers do. And the queen bee lays between 1,000 and 3,000 eggs a year. So you can only imagine how much the beehive is going to increase after you put the queen bee into the beehive with the worker bees, and they increase and they breed. Some hives take up to 2 years before they produce any honey. But I have heard in some cases where honey was produced after the first year. You'd have to have a considerably amount of beehives to be able to live off of bees, which I don't know if it's actually possible, because the honey is usually seasonal as far as I know. But you can drop a comment in below if you believe that honeys are all year round, if you can make money from them all year round. But do remember to check your beehives every 2 to 3 weeks if you go into this beehive business. And subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Press the like button, it helps the channel and it helps us also. And share it with a friend.